Simply Lettering. Now, this magazine is in issue number 7, and it is right here. Now, what is really fun about this is all the different styles of lettering. Now, every month there is something extra, and this month it is a big book of creative lettering. So let me just flip through here. You can never have too many practice sheets, and there are many in here. So this is a bound book, and you can see just lots of styles, lots of places to practice, figure your own and go for it. Then we've got a whole page of doodles. We've got frames. We've got some pattern paper inside, and this, you'll see what's going on. This is called the Polaroid bucket list, and lots of artwork here for you, tags that you can cut out, more banners and so forth. Now, these are big pieces of art that you can use to trace and to duplicate the projects that are in the magazine. Color is a power which directly influences the soul. Without black color, let's see, without black, color has no depth. Okay, well, it helps to read it correctly. There we go. Just lots of different things. The bubble lettering is a feature of this issue, and you are going to see, so just lots and lots. This is really jam-packed. Now, let's get into the lettering, and you can see what to do with those. And they always start with the basics, so I'm not showing you that. I wanted to go right into the bubble effect, and I thought it was just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Step by step right here, so that's going to be really nice to see. On the back side there is, it's done to show water, and I thought that was just stunning. There you go, the word water. Doesn't that just look excellent? Very, very fun. Now we're going to go to the color My World. The world is lucky to have you. Very fun. And what a nice thing to send to someone, to let them know you're thinking of them, or to frame and put in your kitchen or your workspace. Then we have some inspiring. Now this is how to create calligraphy doing a resist technique, so you'll want to take a look at that. This is for some stitchery, and I don't know that I would have thought about stitching a piece of calligraphy, but this is going to give you all the steps for doing that. And here is doing some pencil calligraphy. So that's an interesting, and I think a few months ago there were some pencils included in the kit. This is called Making It Personal. So maybe putting it on a cutting board, that's fun. And this is giving another dimension so you can see how 3D those are looking. Just really absolutely gorgeous, and step by step how to do it. So even if you are just interested in expanding a couple of different looks, I think this is a worthwhile magazine. This is for monolines, so you can see that they are the same color and very, very pretty. This is using a style of pen, so if that's of interest. So just really trying to hit something for everyone. Poster inspiration. I love this. I've been shopping all my life, and I still have nothing to wear. If that speaks to you, well, this would be a real fun tote to have, wouldn't it? And let me see, a couple more. This is in, again, doing Neon Dreams is what this is called. So you can see the color and the black and white and the powerful color. So all of this in Simply Lettering issue number 7, right here, right now.